Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group Certified 2013 Dodge Durango Crew all-wheel drive, stock number B9059P. 56,000 miles on this Durango. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Deep cherry red in color. To be Chrysler Group Certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, along with a 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, seat 7, leather interior, rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row outboard seats are also heated. A fold flat to accommodate additional cargo space, as well as fold forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats two. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. 50/50 split folding rear seat, folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, as you can see, no dents or dings in the body. This Crew has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, operated by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control, along with heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Dimming mirror. Home link transmitter for garage door opener and power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Durango is a 3.6-liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 70% of tire tread left. And don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9059P to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.